Hi, Lovelady here. I want to introduce my new playlist. My new playlist will consist of Chit Chatting with Lovelady. On Chit Chatting with Lovelady, we will talk about an array of different topics. And yes, we will talk about gardening, but that's not all we will talk about. We will get your mind thinking, and maybe we can do a little dialogue with each other. So, every so often, I will upload a video with a different topic. Hopefully you like it. Hopefully you interact. And if it's anything that you would like to talk about on Chit Chat with Lovelady, leave it in the comments below. I really hope you guys enjoy this playlist. So, a few rules. We will not talk about politics, and we will not talk about religion, because I think that that's something just totally personal. That is your belief. That is your way of thinking. And we do not want that to interrupt our talk. It's not just for women. It's for men and women. So, if you would like to talk with Lovelady, leave a comment on a different topic that you would like to discuss, or you can email me. You can email me at Loveladys Gardening Projects. Nope, that is not the right email. Loveladys Gardening at gmail.com. That's LOVELADYSGARDENING at gmail.com. Yes, I would like for you to be involved into the talk. And from time to time, I will have some special guests that will interact with us. So, if you would like to be a special guest, again, hit me up on the email. If you would not like to be a special guest and you just want to strike up a conversation, a topic, then you can email me privately, or you can leave it in the comments as well. So, I'm looking forward to joining you with Chit Chat with Lovelady. And remember, it will be a playlist. It will not be a separate channel. It will be right here with Gardening with Loveladies Projects and more. Have a great day. And if you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you can always know when Loveladies Gardening Projects and more is uploading a new video. Let's kick off Chit Chatting with Lovelady. Have a great day.